Hey guys, I want to show you something really cool we've been working on. So if you're someone like me who's a bit non-technical, you're using Claude Code, you're building multiple apps, you're working on multiple projects at the same time, you have multiple different terminals running at the same time, and you're building multiple different systems for your business, and you're working late at 11 o'clock at night like I am, and then sometimes you log in, you're like, okay, where did I leave off with the previous project? And you get fed up of just looking at hundreds of different terminals like this. Well, we've now created CodeSpring CLI, which basically allows you to connect your agent like Claude Code directly to CodeSpring. So you can actually visualize your plans like this inside CodeSpring. It's more than just a visualizer. I'll explain a little bit more about what it does, but you can see, okay, this is the product I'm currently working on. I can actually come into Kanban and I can see, okay, well actually this is what Claude Code was working on last night. I think it was about 2 in the morning last night I was working on this, and you can see these are some of the tasks that it's completed, and I can just say, okay, well, you know, come into here and say, based on what we've built last week, or yesterday, sorry, can you just check on the plugin tripwire funnel product that I was building? Can you just go ahead and continue building it for me? And then what it's going to do is it will actually use the CodeSpring CLI. So what I'll do is I'll actually end this one, and I'll show you another example of one that I was building over here. Here's another project that we were working on, personal brand brain. I've got it all mapped out here, and I can just come into this and I can say, okay, can you now just restart this build for me, please? Just tick off the tasks as you're done. We may already have a previous version of this, just build it again. And basically what it's going to do now is it's going to go through, it's going to read, here's all the features, here's the notes on how they're going to be done, these are the tasks it needs to complete in order to get it built, and it will just start ticking them off. So you'll see here in a second, as it completes the tasks, I'll just refresh the page and you'll see the tasks work through as it's completing. So it's currently working on this one right now. You can see here it's working through these tasks. And this is just a really good way of having, if you're working on multiple projects, you have multiple agents building multiple things for your business, and you're just getting lost very easily in multiple terminal threads. And if you accidentally close something, you can't resume something, it's very easy now to just have all of your agents working in one place, working on multiple different projects. You can log in the morning and say, okay, what has it done overnight? And obviously you can pick up from where you left off very easily. So I'm just going to go ahead, and you can see here it's working on the last ones. And I'm just going to refresh, come back to the Kanban, and you can see, okay, well, it's completed these 3 tasks, 4 to do, 1 currently still in progress. And you can just keep on looping through this, and you can say, okay, well, now let's have this terminal here work on, I don't know, this project over here, and then it can go ahead and continue doing that. There's loads of other stuff you can do inside it. You can actually go ahead and you can add like mood boards, so you can upload, you know, images and designs of what you want to add. You can go ahead and generate product requirement docs inside CodeSpring as well, like a front-end requirement doc, for example. And then you can connect it to any agent you want. So your CLI works with Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, Gemini, Roo, loads of other ones. We have also got an MCP as well, so you can use this with Lovable. Yeah, I'll leave the link down below.